beautiful people, this is all you need for this look. First and foremost, a crochet wig cap, also some hair. So I use free tress braids, soft baby curl, 4 packs, and a crochet needle. Alright y'all, so this is my very first time achieving this look. It's pretty self-explanatory. All you are doing is putting the needle through the hole, and then you're gonna latch on the hair onto the hook, pull the hair through, and then make a little knot. So you'll basically see me use this routine throughout the whole time I'm installing this hair on this cap. So again, you're putting the needle through the hole, attaching the hair onto the hook, and then pulling the hair through, and then you pull the rest of the hair through that loop, making a knot, and then securing the hair on the wig. Self-explanatory. And if it's my first time, I know y'all can get this look too. And I will let you know, spacing is according to how thick or how thin you want your hair to come out. So if you want your hair more on the fuller side, then you can space the hair more closer together. If you want it less on the fuller side and a little bit more natural looking, then you can space the hair farther apart. I will show you why I'm telling you this towards the end of this video. I'll show you some pictures, but yeah, just keep this in mind. Alright you guys, so this is the final product of my crochet wig. Now I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This is my first time actually making a crochet wig, and I used way too much hair. So in the beginning, as you guys saw me like adding the hair pieces to the wig, it was a lot. It looked extremely full, and afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture just so you guys can see like what I was talking about. And honestly, it was cute, but I don't think I was just ready for like the big voluptuous look yet, and I didn't cut it yet. So what I did was I had to go in and actually take some hair out after I created the wig. So I took some hair out, and then I ended up cutting it to my face. So after doing that, this is the final look. I purchased 4 packs of hair. I pretty much used all 4 packs. I probably used, yeah, I used all 4 packs, and like maybe it was like 10 strands left over from the 4th pack. So in all honesty, I only needed about 2.5 to 3 packs of hair for this style. And I'll also insert a photo of just all of the hair that I ended up pretty much throwing away. So this is the final look. I love this hairstyle, and in all honesty, you guys, I'm showing you guys this hairstyle after maybe a week and a half or 2 weeks of me making this wig. It does get frizzy. I mean, it's a curly big fro type of look, so you're gonna have to expect some type of frizz, in all honesty. Ooh, scam calling me. You're gonna have to expect some type of frizz, in all honesty. I do, when it does start getting a little frizzy or just looks like too much, I do start cutting it off. But I love this look, and you know, I wanted to wear crochet wig because I'm trying to give my hair a break from braids and just really just allow my hair to breathe and my edges to breathe. So this is a really cute style, and this is my first time ever making a crochet wig. I remember I used to have homegirls in college who rocked crochet braids all the time. So yeah, I love this look. Tell me what you think. All right, fly girl and fly guys, thank y'all for watching this video. Go ahead, like, comment, let me know what you guys think. I appreciate y'all for watching, and please subscribe. Go ahead. to subscribe to your girl. I'll make sure I create more videos like this. I do plan on making more natural hair videos, especially since I am growing my hair out. So I appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.